Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm giving you another look inside my own personal small business. So for those of you who don't know, I do actually run a small business full-time alongside being a digital content creator, and every now and then I make videos about how that's going. It is very difficult, it's very hard, guys. I'm telling you, being a solo founder is like the ghetto, okay, but it is so rewarding. Anyway, this video is not about that. Basically, I wanted to give you guys an inside look, as I mentioned, into what a typical day for me might look like, although no day is ever typical. No day looks the same when you run a small business. Now, Christmas is coming up, so there's a lot of prep that goes into it, or that's a lot of prep that I need to be doing into Christmas, and I have some really super exciting news. Wild Seed is going to be part of a Christmas pop-up with Jamie, and it's going to be for 3 weeks, 3 long weeks in Shoreditch. I'm going to leave all the details below, but I'm very excited, and I'd love it if you guys would go out there and support me. We will be in an actual store with other black owned businesses. Yes guys, black owned. Go and support, like, literally. So like I said, I'll leave the details below. But yeah, I'm prepping towards that, and for that, because it is the festive season, we're going to be predominantly selling our gift sets. So I'm trying to prep those, make those nice and festive, and work out how I want that to be displayed, how I want that to look, what experience I want our customers to have leaving with those products. Also, over on the website, I will also be, of course, now having more of our festive packaging for your orders, So yeah, basically today I'm just going to give you guys a look into that. I don't know if it's just me, but there is no better feeling than having a cleared inbox. So I usually like to start my day by going through Wild Seed's inbox as well as my personal inboxes for my other business. And today I had to pay one of our partners, which is also a small black owned business by Ronaldo Wiltshire. And Ronaldo is a potter who actually makes our ritual bowls. If you've ever ordered from us or you've checked them out on their website, they're super cute. If you haven't seen them, do check them out. And I also wanted to show you guys my mini workshop area, my ghetto, the ghetto, and it's a dining area which I like to turn into a mini workshop depending on what the focus is for that day. I'm going to tell you guys how I've been using the Cricut Maker to facilitate my Christmas preparations, but today's focus was getting our boxes ready, or our packaging ready, with our Christmas decals so that we can start actually packing our sets tomorrow. So these are our luxury gift boxes that customers can actually add on to their orders, and this year they do have a cute little decal on them, and it says comfort and joy. And I actually created these decals using my Cricut Maker. And on our regular packaging, we also have some festive decals using our brand new baby. So a quick shout out to Cricut. Thank you very much for sponsoring this video. So this machine is actually a cutter. It's a cutting machine, not a printer. I really have so many ideas on how I want to incorporate this machine into Wild Seed and the things I want to do with it. I actually wanted to show you guys the process of me creating the festive decals and talk a little bit about my experience using it, because child, it was not easy, okay? I watched so many other crafters on YouTube, and as much as I really enjoyed all their videos, I felt like it looked super easy, and I understand why that is by looking at my video. I have to say, this definitely takes practice. It takes some time, and it takes a bit of finessing and flair to find what works for you. And once I did that, I absolutely loved the process. I think they add such a beautiful luxury touch to the packaging, especially this matte gold, which I felt was very wild seed. If you've seen our full logo, it does have a gold seed at the top, a matte gold seed actually, so it fits really perfectly. And the vinyl that was used is actually by Cricut as well. I used their smart material. Their vinyls come in loads of different colors and textures, including glitter, for those of you that are looking for something super festive. But I felt that the matte gold really elevated our packaging, and I loved the way that it looked. In addition to this, I also had some labeling to do. I've been creating products in bulk for the last couple of weeks, just so we have a nice good stockpile for Christmas as well as for the pop-up. So this is our Rana, if you haven't seen it before, which is our facial serum, and I'm actually considering maybe doing some personalization on the actual products. I haven't quite made up my mind yet, but now that I have the Cricut Maker, I feel like my crafting possibilities are endless and I really want to explore it. So we'll see, but maybe in future there might be the opportunity to personalize gifts for customers that are ordering to gift a product, or I guess even for yourself. So that's something that I'm definitely looking into. The Cricut Maker also does foiling, which is something that I was super excited to hear about, and I have ordered some products specifically for that I want to try out. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted in that sense. And there she is, here's Fatty. I took a little break to have some lunch. It was more like dinner. I think I was eating around like 4 something, so it was definitely more dinner than it was lunch, but it was nourishing. Gave me a little bit of energy and I went back. So here I am just cutting up some more of those decals just to ensure that I can get through as many of these boxes as possible. And I believe this was my last one. I was super relieved to get it done. And tomorrow we go again. We always go again. Every day we go again. So guys, definitely check out the Cricut Maker. It is perfect for all my crafters and especially small business owners. Do check out my vlogs because I will be including more of my actual life in there, which very much includes my business. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you in the next one. If you do have any video requests for me, do let me know below. If you do want actual really, like, not really long, but you know, full-length videos of, you know, the ins and outs of running a small indie beauty brand, let me know, and yeah, I'll answer your questions. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.